I was gonna tell Doug to make sure you mention that power steering company. We get good deals on those. I need one.
Who supplied it?
I don't know.
KRT, if you're watching, he needs a hookup. What's going on, Doug?
Well, we've just been all over the shop today.
Did you participate in a little bit of Ash Wednesday?
Ash Wednesday. Which part of Ash Wednesday?
What about it? That's yesterday, right? Is today Thursday?
Yeah.
Yeah, today's Thursday.
Friday.
I was making sure because they didn't come get my trash yesterday. So I don't even know what day it is.
No, Doug looks like he just got out of a Catholic church service.
I heard that I accidentally got dirty working on a Ford. I haven't gone to makeup yet.
Zach. Yeah. We need a prep Doug for makeup.
He's a movie mechanic.
He's a movie mechanic.
Movie mechanic, that's right, yeah. I was supposed to put it underneath my eyes, but I missed.
Oh, man. Well, how's it going on this thing? It's looking really cleaned up.
Yes, it is. We're ready to start doing some little prep some hoses, prep some wiring.
And the
motor mount kit. Motor mount kit's underneath there. All tight, ready to go. It's offset to clear the power steering unit that's going to go in there. Yeah, that's some nice room there.
Yeah. Actually fit a couple of hands in there.
Yeah, it was easy to do that side. A little snug on the other side.
And how's it coming with the interior? You got that stripped out?
Excuse me.
Under the dash, that is?
Yep, we got the old wiring out. Zach will be getting prepared for his new wiring magic. He must think like one of those diagrams in the back of the motor manuals that, you know, we all see. And,
I mean, the one you take one look at,
yeah,
you're like, yeah.
Oh man, I'm not doing that.
Yeah,
like,
forget that. How are these brake lines coming along?
The front are on. The side's all on. Going down now, I'm just doing over the axle.
Going together pretty smoothly.
Yeah. Just trying to put one across the cross member wasn't very fun. Making little brake line tabs to bolt to the back. Right there.
Oh yeah. That's nice and clean.
We sent it out to get powder coated before we did brake lines, so we didn't have any tabs.
I haven't checked out the front just yet.
Still waiting another one of those to come, but
yeah.
those run together. Then it goes all the way across to this side on the cross member. Runs down the top of the frame all the way back to the rear.
Oh, crusty.
Are you a professional looking at $100,000? We be advised to it. Offer the asking. Check out our salary predictor. It's just one of Dice's many free tools to help tech professionals accelerate their
I
careers.
just thought it was even worse
So
than this
visit
one.
dice.com/Pandora to benchmark
Yeah, it was
your
real bad.
salary.
There was like a whole like pile of came out of it. And that whole thing was filled up to like right here.
20 years.
The drop down where the drop down in the quarter meat,
Option.
it was totally filled up, man. It's nasty.
Yeah, let me.
Spray foam and Bondo, somebody's repair work. The whole bottom of this was just very little sheet metal left. They spray foamed it in,
Uh huh.
cut it with like a knife, and then Bondoed over it. The whole thing was Bondo on the bottom of it.